Hi, in this video we learn how to remove elements from a list. We can use the del statement to remove an element from a list. We just need to know the index of the element we want to remove. So let's create a list first. Days. This is a list of 3 strings. And now let's delete the element at index 1. Del days at index 1. And now let's print it out. Monday, Saturday. Friday, which was at index 1, was deleted. We can also combine the del statement with slicing to remove more elements. Let's have a look at the following list of numbers. And now let's delete from numbers the elements between index 3 and 7, which is not included. Fine. And now let's check it out. Numbers. As you can see, these elements have been removed. We can also use the del statement to remove the whole list. So here's our number list again. Now del numbers. Now the list doesn't exist anymore. That's why we're getting an error when trying to echo it. Have a look. Numbers. Name numbers is not defined. We can also use the remove method to remove elements if we don't know the index. Have a look. Here is our days list again. And now let's remove, like so, the element Friday. So we just pass the name of the element itself, not its index. Fine. Now days looks like so. The remove function removes the first occurrence of X. So here's another list, scores. As you can see, some of these elements are repetitive, like here 20, 20. And now if we use scores remove and we want to remove the element 20, this is what we get, scores. Only the first occurrence was removed, not the other one. If we want to remove this element too, we have to use this method again. So scores remove 20. And now it's also gone. If the element is not found, we get an error. So let's try to remove 20 again. Scores remove 20. Now, as 20 doesn't exist anymore in this list, we get an error. List remove X, X not in list. We can remove all the elements from a list either by using the del statement or by using the clear method. Suppose we have the following list of animals. We can remove all the elements of the list, but not the list itself, using the del statement and slicing. So, del animals. So, from beginning to end. And now what we get is an empty list. Alternatively, we can use the clear method. So, let's define our animals list again. And now, animals clear. Animals, and we also get an empty list. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.